Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make boomerang from camera roll. So this is actually going to be a very easy tutorial. I want you to follow along. So the first thing that you're going to do is you want to make sure that the photo that you have captured is a live photo. Say for example, here you can see that right on the top there is a circle being highlighted. That is actually a live photo. So say for example, I'm going to take a live photo right now. There we go. So as you can see here, it says they're live. Now we're going to try to open our Instagram. We're going to click this one here. Now after clicking the plus sign, we're going to click the camera. And then we're going to click story. And then from here, you should see boomerang on the left side. We're going to click that one. We're going to look for that particular photo. And from here, you should see immediately that there is like a live or boomerang logo right at the top left corner of the photo. Say for example, here, I'm going to click this. Now, after pressing that particular picture, you should be able to tap this icon right here. And then when you do that, it should create a boomerang effect. And then we're going to click done. And then we can just share this one. All right, let's try to open a story. There you go, something like that. Now, what if, for example, we're going to want to add something, let's say a video. So what you're going to do is you're going to have to go to the App Store and then you'll have to find a Boomerang app. Say, for example, when I type Boomerang, here are some of the applications available for it. Now, I've already downloaded one earlier. I'm just going to open that one. And then from this point forward, I'm going to try to upload a video. Say, for example, this one, and then I'm going to resize this one. All right, there you go. I'm going to click next. Okay, so that is the final output. We're going to click save and then save to photos. And then we're going to open our Instagram once again. And then we're going to click this icon here, the plus sign, and we're going to upload this particular image. So you can upload it as a post or story. But say for example, we're going to choose story. I'm going to open that one. There you go. Just click this here. And then still the same thing. We're going to upload it and share it to our story. All right, there you go. So that is now our boomerang effect from the video. And congratulations everybody. That is how you're going to make boomerang video from camera roll on Instagram.